Hi everyone, I'm Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. You can see a question from JEE Main from definite integral integration. Evaluate the integral from 1 by 4 to 3 by 4 cos of 2 cot inverse square root 1 minus x over 1 plus x whole dx. So this is a very interesting question because of course this was a MCQ question, but I have not written the answers. Here so many trigonometric formulas are applied. So let's begin. So for that, let me write the trigonometric formula we'll use here. One is your 1 minus cos of 2 theta equals to 2 sine square theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square theta. So here I'll take x as cos 2 theta so that I can rationalize, or this square root function can be simplified. The square root of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x will be your square root of 2 cos sine square theta, 2 cos square theta, 2 to cancel, it will be sine theta by cos theta, it will be tan theta. So this becomes your tan theta. Next is cot inverse tan theta is written as your cot inverse. Tan theta is cot, pi by 2, it's not cos, cot. Pi by 2 minus theta, that will be your pi by 2 minus theta. So now I am writing the whole function. So cos twice cot inverse square root 1 minus x over 1 plus x. And I am doing the same mistake, it will be, oh, of course it was cos. So this becomes how much? It will be cos twice cot inverse tan theta that is equals to cos 2 pi by 2 minus theta. So it will be cos pi minus 2 theta. Cos pi minus 2 theta equals to minus cos 2 theta. Okay, so now coming to integration. So integration 1 over 4 to 3 over 4 cos 2 cot inverse square root 1 minus x over 1 plus 3x. So I am taking x as cos 2 theta. So minus sine 2 theta into 2 d theta is equal to dx. So in place of dx, I put minus 2 sin theta d theta. So since it was in x, now I am writing in theta. So I am not taking the limit. For the temporarily, I am taking the limit as alpha to beta. Then it will be minus cos 2 theta into minus 2 sin 2 theta d theta, which is ultimately becoming equals to sine 4 theta. So sine theta, sine x into cos x with 2 equals to sine 2x x. Now in integration, sine 4 theta equals to negative cos 4 theta over 4. And I will evaluate it from alpha to beta. I'll come back to x, then I'll replace alpha and beta. Now cos 2 theta equals to, we have taken as x. So cos 4 theta equals to 2x square minus 1. Because cos 2a equals to 2 cos square a minus 1. So it will become how much? Minus 1 by 4 cos 4 theta equals to 2x square minus 1. I'll get back to the limit 1 by 4, 3 by 4. So this will be minus 1 by 4 here, 2 into 3 by 4 whole square is 1 minus 2 into 1 by 4 whole square minus 1. That will be plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled. So this will be minus 1 by 4 multiplies 2 into 9 by 16 minus 2 by 16. So this is equal to minus 1 by 4 into 18 by 16 minus 2 by 16, that will be 16 by 16. So the answer is negative 1 by 4. So this is the answer. Actually the options were negative 1 by 4, negative 3 by 4, 1 by 4 and negative 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. So answer is negative 1 by 4. So thank you for watching.